What's going on, everybody? We have another reset for you today. We're going to do a CB68. It's a Vortex phone. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a screen lock that you forgot and you got to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And just a reminder, as always, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind, kind of a last resort situation unless your stuff's already backed up. As always, if you guys find this helpful or useful, if you could drop a like, comment, subscribe, would appreciate it. Otherwise, let's get right into it. You gotta turn off the phone first, and for the sake of speed, I already have this one turned off. Either pull the battery or power it off with the power button. And then you want to hold volume down and power at the same time. You have your volume buttons right here, volume up, volume down, and power. So we'll start by holding volume down first, and then we'll hit the power button. Once the phone turns on, you want to let go of power, but you keep holding volume down. And sometimes it does take a minute to kick in. Let's give it a second. There it goes. And it gets into the recovery menu. Your volume up and down will help you navigate, and the power button will be your enter button. So we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button. I'll ask you to confirm. We'll confirm it, and it's deleting all the data. Once it's done, you can either reboot the system or scroll down to power off. We're just going to power it off since actually we just reboot it. Get into it, but otherwise that is how you do a hard reset on a Vortex CB68. If you guys need help with doing a reset on a different device that you just can't seem to figure out, just let me know in the comments, and I will try to get that up for you. Got plenty of devices, so we'll try to get a bunch more hard resets up as we keep going. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.